focus on.
Alabaten.
Okay. Can you put something for me? So remember ya.
Oraga yung Khatman.
Oh, what is it? Frustrating.
Frustrating. What is coconut sorry.
Forgiveness. Wow, couple forgiveness.
Yeah, bawang ko titing sorry.
Serious.
Misunderstanding.
Sa ulo na makakawaya ka na.
Serious, misunderstanding.
Pare, Wi-Fi. Ako kuna hahali na.
Like how can I Scott's already the attitude? How can I? So,
Decided already. Wasarend na vana.
Yeah, peace my chance.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Ngibona umuntu lofuna ukuqolisa but ngathi akafuna ukuqolisa, umuntu uqolisa kumara ngazuthi awunemahloni ukuqolisa ngoScott Maphuma ke loyo. So Scott Maphuma finally uyaqolisa ngokuthi abe rude kuma-fans akhe ngokuthi abantu mabacomplaina ngokuthi urude athi yena kani owilutho yena ula khona because of himself and not anyone. Uthi Scott Maphuma ashwele nkosi yami uyaqolisa, and people have been saying ukuthi angeke baze bekele kumi-ignora until aze aqolisa. So uthi makamtshela umapholisa ukuthi hey wena abantu bakukwatele wena bathi wena urude. Washo nje ukuthi hey basho njalo ngazuthi akade ukuthi sisho njalo yebo sisho njalo sithi urude. Washo ke yena wathi naye uyaqolisa uyaqolisa but yena ukuthi abe rude akukhonakali, so uyaqolisa but uyambona kuzoqolisa kwakhona uyaqolisa but akafuni kube ngazuthi vele unqengile uyabo, akafuni ukuthi kube ngazuthi vele uqolisele ukuthi vele manje ngamqolile mhlambe uyowa ukufuna nathi nje ukuthi okay ngiyaxolisa but manje ngafuna ukungiqolela it's fine ngingaqoleli but ngiyaxolisa but manje ngafuna ukungiqolela aningangiqoleli uyabo. But siyambona ukuthi yamshaya lento yokuthi makaphefuma abantu bamnika i-moment of silence, uyayibona phela naye. That's why nalapha ku-Cotton First ngalesikhathi aphefuma he even asked ukuthi why are you guys quiet nithuleleni? Hey abantu babhizi bambuka abathulile bambuka, sikubukela kokuthi uthi wena usincenga uthi wena you are not where you are because of us, you are where you are because of who ngoba ethine ama-fans akho ngithi lesikusapota ko lesikunika support. What do you mean? Like, what do you mean? But anyway, siyaqolela. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.